Manufacturers of cell phone chargers don't want you to know this. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can charge your cell phone using a simple battery like this one. It's a great tip for when the power goes out or for some emergency situation where you need to charge your phone and have no access to an outlet. To start our simple hack, we're gonna need aluminum foil. Cut a piece about this size. And then go ahead and roll it up. What we're going to do here is make a small strip of foil of about 2 centimeters wide. See, this is how it should look. Now let's cut it in half because we're going to need 2 strips. Next, wrap both strips with electrical tape. First on one side and then on the other. It's important to leave a little foil at the ends, which is going to be the contact point. Once you've done that, it will look like this. Now we're going to need the battery. This one I'm using is 9 volts. See that each side corresponds to the negative and positive. Keep this in mind, this is crucial for this hack. Take the strips of aluminum foil we made and position the contact point on each side of the battery. One on the positive and one on the negative, and then secure it with electrical tape. And it should look like this. Now what we're gonna need is this adapter we use to charge the phone in the car. Just go ahead and secure the negative right here, making sure it's in contact with the metal, and the positive on the top part. Always isolating with electrical tape. And now it's ready. Finally, just take an USB cable and plug it into our homemade charger. Then just connect the USB into the charger and the other end into the cell phone. And with that, you have a great portable charger for your cell phone. A great way to charge your device when you're not at home, especially in remote places without outlets. For sure, with this incredible hack, you'll never run out of battery on your cell phone again. So, that's it. I really hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this tip and found it useful, show it to someone who might be interested, because it's always good to pass our knowledge on. Also, I'm sure there will be someone who needs this information. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.